detection panels are just what we need to keep us safe. Watch how the sensors react to metal. Not bad, huh?
Excellent, Wheeljack. The Decepticons won't find it easy to slip by that.
Optimus Prime, come quickly. It's Dr. Fujiyama, the famous scientist.
Yes, Dr. Fujiyama.
Sorry to intrude, Mr. Optimus Prime, but I am in need of the services of you and your Autobots.
For what reason, Doctor?
To guard my latest invention when I present it to the world.
Exactly what is it that you've come up with?
Could the Decepticons eavesdrop on us?
Oh, it's not too likely.
Nonetheless, I fear to speak. My invention is a special robot.
What?
At the risk of seeming boastful, it is the greatest robot ever created by man, which means it is primitive by Autobot standards.
My curiosity is aroused. We will come, Doctor.
Oh, splendid, splendid! All the top scientists of the world will be on hand for the unveiling.
Imagine Autobots playing nursemaid to an Earth robot. It's probably just a glorified wind-up toy.
Nevertheless, we'll go, if only to make sure the Decepticons don't get their hands on it. Let's roll!
Dr. Fujiyama's doohickeys under that drape.
If it walks, it probably needs a long extension cord.
I wonder if batteries are included.
When they turn it on, it'll probably blow the lights.
We're here to guard the robot, not to make jokes at its expense.
Gentlemen, what you are about to see is state-of-the-art robotics. This, gentlemen, is the first female ninja robot. I have named her Nightbird.
Magnificent. Tremendous.
Unbelievable. Very impressive. Bravo.
What is a ninja?
An ancient Japanese warrior capable of amazing feats of skill and daring.
Yeah, I read about them. Ninjas were deadly assassins.
Why build a robot ninja, Doctor? Isn't that rather dangerous?
Nightbird has been constructed to demonstrate to the world the limitless capabilities of technology. She will expand the horizons of robotic research to assist mankind and not to harm him. I assure you, gentlemen, she is not meant for battle or assassinations, and I have limited her powers accordingly. Now, gentlemen, if I may.
Oh, no.
It's that Dynamental delinquent Rumble.
And his punk pal Frenzy. Let's send him directly to Scrap Iron City.
Wait, we can't risk hurting the humans.
Your theory seems shaky to me, Doc.
Look out! They're destroying the building! Run for it!
The humans have evacuated. Autobots, attack!
I bring you greetings, Optimus Prime. Lethal greetings.
Blue streak!
Mirage, prepare to disappear permanently.
Help! The girders have me pinned!
Optimus, look out!
Prepare for oblivion, Prime.
Not yet, Megatron. Not just yet.
Prime, over your head. Thundercracker and Starscream.
We're not staying long, Auto Boobs. We just came to pick up a friend.
Soundwave, activate the passageway.
As you command, Megatron.
This new base is only temporary, but it will do nicely for the game I intend to play with those accursed Autobots.
This is child's play compared to Decepticon transform circuits.
Spare me your critique. Can you do it?
With a little rewiring, some additional microchips, and a triple power booster, perhaps. Report progress on optic interface, Soundwave.
Almost completed.
Good. I love warping minds for you, Megatron. Love it.
This puppet has a punch. She is not meant to be your sparring partner, Starscream. Her adversaries will be Autobots. Is she fully programmed, Soundwave?
Affirmative.
And what are her orders?
To steal the world energy chip from the Autobots and then exterminate them.
I'm sorry that we failed you and the university, Dr. Fujiyama.
It could not have been foreseen, Mr. Prime.
Nevertheless, I vow that we will return the robot ninja to you as quickly as possible.
I only beg that she will be returned unharmed. The technical components are irreplaceable and are needed for research.
Don't worry, Dr. Fujiyama. We'll bring the little lady back in perfect condition. I hope.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I trust that you will.
The damage report is not too good, Prime.
Then, let's get our wounded back to the base. Autobots, transform!
Come on, Brawn. I'll give you a lift. I may not be able to transform, but I can still walk. Oh.
Pal, remember, Ratchet's the doc.
And Doctor's orders are to stay off your feet.
Autobots, roll out!
I don't understand it, Prowl. Why would the Decepticons steal the ninja robot? They already have a formidable fighting force.
I don't understand anything the Decepticons do.
Yeah, it's over my head, too. But if we're gonna find her for Dr. Fujiyama, we have to get a fix on what the Decepticons have done with her.
Well, we can't expect her to come to us. We'll have to find her.
Hang in there, Brawn. Your transforming relay's almost A-OK.
What the?
This could mean only one thing. An intruder.
Hey! Why, you're...
Mirage, what happened? Over there! Whoever you are, stop!
It's the ninja.
Don't harm her!
And definitely don't shake hands.
Look out!
I think we've got her now. What's she doing?
She's making me dizzy.
How'd she do that?
I wish I knew, Blue Streak. I'd say we're lucky Dr. Fujiyama's Nightbird didn't do any permanent damage.
Yeah, Prime. That little she-bot's sure no demo model when it comes to action.
Well, we'll find her and bring her in before she really causes trouble. Autobots, transform!
I'll have the rest of the Autobots and Teletran 1 operating in no time. Good luck.
There she is! On the bluff!
A simple stun ray should take care of her. Now we can take her back to Dr. Fujiyama where she belongs. She was playing Robotopossum. Look out!
That's it. I'm gonna cool her collators once and for all.
No, we promise not to harm her. Nightbird, we've come to help. Don't force us to fight you. No, don't damage her.
Remember, we've got to stop her!
No sign of her, Prime. Perhaps she has the same power of invisibility that I have.
Perhaps.
But with all the weapons she has, why would she steal your laser rifle?
It's said the ninja always takes a part of an enemy with her. Thank goodness it was only my weapon.
And she left her sword behind. But why is she attacking us in the first place?
I suspect Megatron could answer that question.
So, pure Optimus Prime has lost his laser rifle to little Nightbird. He will lose much more before we're finished.
We should have looked into Dr. Fujiyama's toy chest sooner. His ninja robot is magnificent.
She'll burn out fast after the way Bombshell overtalked her circuits.
Who asked you, Nitro Nose?
Nightbird won't burn out until she returns with the computer chip we need. It's all been programmed.
If she returns, you mean? She's not so hot.
She's hot enough to replace you whenever I choose.
It's much worse than I thought, Ironhide. They've stolen the chip which itemizes the world's energy supplies.
It's got to be Megatron.
More likely, that ninja Shebot. The only thing I can do now is get Teletran 1 temporarily operational. We've got to notify Prime immediately. We can't let the ninja deliver that world energy chip to the Decepticons. Optimus Prime, come in.
Yes, Ratchet.
Teletran's info chip on world energy sources was stolen.
So that's the reason for Nightbird's visit. Whoever has that chip can tap into all the power supplies on Earth. Finding her now is more important than ever. Hound, activate your infrared. Autobots, transform. Follow Hound. Why aren't we getting any signals?
Wait! I have something. The signal's coming from the north. She's very close now. Bingo.
Autobots, transform. We've got the ninja trapped. I want to capture her unharmed. It's your sword. Come and get it. Not one of my better ideas. Follow me.
No more Mr. Nice Guy. The Shebots bought it.
She'll pick us all off unless...
I swore not to damage you, Nightbird, but you're leaving me no option.
Drive your rifle!
I truly regret this. At least we now know you're not invulnerable.
We've got to find a way to stop her.
I'm open to suggestions, and you don't need to raise your hands before you speak.
Clip Jumper, try your gas! She jammed it.
Yes, you're definitely on my replacement list, Starscream. She's everything I've always wanted.
Replace me? Never!
Skywalk, Undercracker, grab him! Soundwave, Bombshell, activate the cage.
You can't keep me in here, Megatron!
I don't see why not. That little cage was something I rigged up for the Autobots, but I'd like you to have it. Think of it as a farewell gift. Now, what did I miss? Impressive. I didn't know the Autobots could create an electromesh prison so powerful. No! They finally got her! We must rescue her and retrieve the world energy chip at once. It will give us total control of this planet's energy supplies. We must not fail! Decepticons, prepare for battle!
Well done, Autobots. Nightbird is contained and unharmed.
It's the energy chip she swiped from Teletran.
Keep your hands off my property, Autoclad.
Megatron, I knew it. Take him, Autobots!
You won't be needing this!
You're starting to bug me, bombshell!
Got it!
Watch how my anti-matter blaster eats up energy!
Megatron, you fiend!
I've got to get out there! I'll show that Megatron what his precious ninja is really like! Looks like I'm just in time. Megatron's new assistant, eh? My null ray will put her out of commission.
Nightbird, no!
Hey! Say goodnight to your Megatron!
Decepticons, after him! I want that traitor Steelhide!
It seems Megatron's schemes have backfired once again.
Oh, Mr. Optimus Prime, I'm so glad you have returned Nightbird, and not a scratch on her chassis.
Well, I'm glad she's back in your possession, Doctor. Deprogrammed and neutralized.
And safely locked up forever.